far so good. You guys know that when, like Danny said, right? Everybody's happy and everybody's pushing the same way. We can do, big things, and that's what happens when everybody comes together as a team, as a group, despite whatever our differences, and that's really what it is. It was a challenging month at the beginning. We started really, really hard, and then the weather kind of got to us, right? All the rain and stuff like that. But it looks like that's out of the way already. So, we're very close to hitting target. You guys, we're closing the month tomorrow, all right, for Brooklyn Mitsubishi. You guys have until Monday to RDR cars, all right? So this is why we need to push really, really this weekend. We have 4 F&Is, we got a new F&I on board, all right? So we have the traffic, and we have almost 93 appointments coming in today. So most of them are confirmed, which means it's gonna be very, very busy. So you guys gotta be on your A game today, all right? You guys gotta be on your A game, meaning how to manage a customer. Get a manager involved, get everybody involved. We're doing a little campaign today, which is, we meeting the teachers today at Nazareth School. You guys know we did the summer camp. We sent them to come summer camp, so we're gonna go over there with Bob and meet the parents. And this is the stuff that we're doing that it's actually working for us. We're not really selling, all right? We're just basically going there, shake hands with people, and give it back to the community. We've been here 20 years, so they know who we are. So how can you impact somebody by sending somebody to summer camp? You think they're gonna remember that?
100%.
100%, right? So they'll remember that for a long time. You know what? They've been in the community, and yeah, they were able to send my kid. And we're gonna continue to do things like that. So I just want to make sure that everybody's on point and you know what's going on. The incentive is good until Monday, all right? And more than likely they're gonna run it for next month as well, because they want a big push for 4th of July. So 4th of July weekend, it's a long weekend. It's on a Thursday. So I'll let you guys know what we're doing about schedule, more or less. It'll be like a half a day. Bobby wants everybody here, but we'll probably shut it down like 3, 4 o'clock, depending on how the day goes. But Jenny is pushing also for that day, because a lot of dealerships, whatever they're advertising, we decided to advertise today. Everything is live now, and a lot of customers are already searching for 4th of July, Independence Day, and all that stuff. So we're already ahead of the game. Okay, so you get familiarized with the website. Get familiarized with all the incentives that we're running right now. And I think that we have a shot of doing 350 cars next month with the 4th of July boost, because that should be like an extra weekend for us. Last year, just so you know, we did 12 cars on the 4th of July, bless you, which happens to land on a Wednesday. This year it lands on a Thursday, which will be, people will be off from Thursday to Monday, right? It's a long weekend, but I think it'll be really, really good. So let's focus on that. Let's focus on finishing the month. Some of you guys are really, really hitting some big numbers there. So stay on target, work your pay plan, work your numbers. I went over everything with you guys yesterday. And remember, July 1st, being Monday, every starts from the app. So you guys got to make sure every delivery, JP is going to be checking.
July 1st.
July 1st,
so
yes.
what about with this month? We're using Adams as well?
We're using apps, yes. We'll go with that. So you're good on that. So that's why I said give you a fair chance. Start Monday, clean slate, right? You start with your new deliveries. JP will check the delivery checklist, make sure it's in there. So at the end of the day, I'll go to your report. I'll do the same thing I did yesterday. I'll call you guys in the office. Here's the report. It's what you have. No issues there, black and white. So therefore, it should be fine. And we'll put some numbers. We'll give you guys your objective for July, which this is the time that we want to work for, right? This is the time where we bank and we make the most. So now is the time to pretty much capitalize on that. You got a lot of customers coming in. A lot. Yesterday we had a ton of people across the street. And we were short staffed, and you know what? Mark still, we got a ton, right? Prado and everybody was just running, checking out. I saw on the camera, you guys were going crazy yesterday. The warehouse, you over there. But we got it done. We did 10 deals yesterday, so that's good.